Hi, my name is Animesh Pandey, and I bring over 18 years of experience into customer care, customer excellence, and relationship building. Well, all of it, I'm sure you'd understand, requires you to have hands on experience with your communication skills. That means your communication skill has to be absolutely sought out, all right? And it has to be absolutely good. So, I've had the privilege of working with renowned companies who have held customer services at the realm of the business. That means they've had always the customer's first approach. I'm going to put together all that learning that I have from all these companies that I've worked with into an experience guide, which I am willing to share with new learners. I'm going to help you, get into a good conversation, which could lead you to cracking a deal, which could lead you to cracking an interview, and all of that. All right. So if you need any help in spoken English, in effective communication in terms of professional emails, or whatever, do call me.